Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. Today we're going to learn how to use the French phrase il y a, which is a very versatile expression in everyday conversation. So let's dive in. Il y a translates to there is or there are, and it's a very simple phrase used to indicate the existence or presence of something. It can be used in various contexts. First, let's start with singular nouns. So for instance, il y a un chat dans le jardin. Il y a un chat dans le jardin, which means there is a cat in the garden. Il y a, there is, un chat, a cat, dans le jardin, in the garden. Another example, il y a un ordinateur sur la table. Il y a un ordinateur sur la table. There is a computer on the table. Now with plural nouns, so you're going to be very happy because it doesn't change anything. Il y a un chat dans le jardin. Il y a des chats dans le jardin. Il y a stays the same. Il y a des livres sur la table. Il y a des livres sur la table. Il y a, there are, des livres, books, sur la table, on the table. Now to say there is not, there are not, il n'y a pas. So, il y a, there is. Il n'y a pas, there is not. So basically you take il y a, but you put the N apostrophe right before the Y and you put pas at the end. Il n'y a pas. Il n'y a pas de chat dans le jardin. Il n'y a pas de chat dans le jardin. There is no cat in the garden. Now the confusing part is that il y a can be used to talk about time. For instance, je suis arrivé il y a 2 jours. Je suis arrivé il y a 2 jours. I arrived 2 days ago. So in this case, il y a means ago. Le film a commencé il y a 1 heure. Le film a commencé il y a 1 heure. The movie started an hour ago. Now if you want to use il y a in another tense, simply conjugate the verb avoir into the tense you want to use. Because in il y a is the verb avoir, conjugated in the third person singular. So for instance, il y a un chat, there is a cat. Il y avait un chat, there was a cat. Il y aura un chat, there will be a cat. I want to add one more thing. It's about how French people commonly pronounce il y a. Because in fact, in casual conversation, il y a is often shortened to sound like ya. So you might actually hear y a un chat, which means il y a un chat, there is a cat. Or y a un problème avec ma voiture. There is a problem with my car. Y a un problème. Now you know how to use il y a in French. So remember, it's a very handy phrase. It's very commonly used in French. So try to remember it and try to use it as much as possible. Merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more French lessons. Au revoir, à bientôt!